Okay, so here's question 2. A student placed pieces of iron, zinc, magnesium and copper into 4 separate test tubes. The student poured 10 centimeters cubed of dilute nitric acid onto each metal. So here we have iron, we have zinc, magnesium and copper. Okay, the question says, look at the diagram above. A, how do these diagrams show if a metal reacts with the nitric acid? So we can see these little circles which represent bubbles of gas. So we could say bubbles of gas are produced. So that's the way in which we can see the reaction happening. State the name of the gas produced in the reaction between magnesium and nitric acid. Okay, so we need to recognize that when we react a metal with an acid, we always get a chemical called a salt, which we can't see here, but we also get the gas hydrogen, and that's what these bubbles are made out of. So the answer is hydrogen. You need to learn that that's the case. And so the next part of this question, describe the chemical test for this gas. Okay, so you could say something like introduce a lighted splint to the gas. So that's the test, and that's for 1 mark, and then the result would be for the other mark, the gas will make a squeaky pop. Okay, so that's why there's 2 marks, 1 for the test and 1 for the result. On the lines below, place the 4 metals in order of how strongly they react with the nitric acid. So we're looking for the least reactive. So if we refer back to the question, we're looking for the one with the least number of bubbles, which of course is copper. And then we've got iron, then zinc, then magnesium. Okay, so it's copper, iron, zinc, magnesium. So the least reactive one is copper, iron, zinc, and magnesium, in that order. Okay, and you had to get them in all in the correct order to get the single mark. Give the name of a metal other than those named in the question that would not react with dilute nitric acid. Okay, so these are the ones mentioned in this particular question. So you could mention gold or silver or platinum, and there are a range of other metals that you could mention there. Okay, and I was willing to give you the mark if they were less reactive than copper. Okay, so that's question 2.